Now the market has opened, and as you can see, the price of SPY has dropped very much and it's now $733, and our break-even price is $722. If I want to close it right now, and remember I got from this put credit spread $78, and if I want to close it right now, I need to pay, let's see, $188, and that will be a loss. So of course I will not do that, and I will give it more time because it has more 2 days to expires. And of course remember, we can always roll our put credit spreads to give it more time and to make more money. So if I want to roll this put credit spreads, I will hit the market price, and as you can see, I will roll it. I am going to roll it for another 1 day only. I will get from this trade $32. So of course I will give it more time and I will see what will happen in the end of this trading day. And now we are at the end of this trading day. As you can see, the price of SPY has gone up, and for our position, let's see if I want to close my put credit spreads. Let's see how much I need to pay. I need to buy to close, and as you can see, if we hit the market price, I need to pay, let's see, I am going to pay $123, and in the morning I need to pay $188. So it's dropped very much. And of course remember, we can always roll our position to give it more time and to make more money. So if I want to roll this put credit spreads, I need to sell to roll, and I will hit the market price of course. And if I'm going to roll it for another 1 day only, I will get a premium. Let's see how much I will get. I will get $39 from it just for roll it, and that's very good. And of course I will not do that. I will give it more time because as you can see, this is a SPY, and I am going to open the option chains for SPY and to see how many days I had left on this contract. As you can see, on the 21st of May, I had 2 days, and as you can see, this is our put credit spreads, the 723, 722, and if I go down there, 736 is very far from the strike price. So I will give it more time and I will see what will happen. Please like and subscribe.